Anki Overdrive is the world's most intelligent battle racing system. These aren't just cars, these are robots programmed to battle on tracks you construct in seconds. Control them with your smart device and take down opponents in a variety of game modes. Your experience with Anki Overdrive starts with construction. Open the box and build one of 8 battle tracks quickly and easily. From there, the Anki Overdrive app handles everything else, from getting you connected to teaching you gameplay, so you can start playing immediately. The more you play, the more weapons and upgrades you unlock for your cars. By equipping new weapons, special items, and upgrades, you can customize each of your cars to make them your own. There are over 350 different weapons and upgrades for you to unlock and discover. And that's just the starter kit. Once you've mastered the basics, take your game to the next level by adding more track pieces and supercars. Just like choosing maps in video games, how you build the track has a big impact on gameplay. Anki Overdrive offers a ton of ways to play, like a multi-hour campaign with over 25 AI commanders for you to compete against. You can go it solo, or team up with friends for cooperative play. Want to play by your own rules? Head into Open Play and choose from one of 5 game types. And your experience doesn't stop there. App updates keep the gameplay fresh, bringing you new features and functionality. Anki Overdrive. It's easy to pick up and nearly impossible to put down.
The summer calls for being outside, relaxing in the sun. But it's also the perfect opportunity to get outdoors and make a difference in your health. Joining us with more is lifestyle expert Michelle Yarn. Hey, Michelle. Thanks for joining us.
Hey, I'm so happy to be here.
Well, how can we stay active this season?
Well, like you said, it's summer, and while it's always important to build in the time to relax, it's also a great time to go out, go exploring, make the effort to stay active and healthy. So the American Heart Association recommends walking 10,000 or more steps a day. That packs some serious health benefits. Obviously burning calories, but it can also lower blood pressure, strengthen muscles, and reduce stress. So one of my biggest tips to help you stay on track is awareness. I highly recommend a fitness tracker. This is going to help you reach your fitness goals, and it's a really easy, fun way to track your progress.
Yeah, you are so right. It is so gratifying to actually see your actions really making a difference. So what's your top pick?
I love the Pivotal Living Band. This is the most affordable fitness tracker with a screen. For $12 a year, you get the band and 1 year of access to the Pivotal Living app. And with each renewal, members receive another year of app access, plus a brand new Pivotal Living Band to stay current with the latest technology.
What kind of features does the band have?
There are so many. So it features super easy readouts of your daily stats on the screen, and then it switches between sleep mode, active mode, and the stopwatch with the touch of a button. Within the app, you can get more in-depth tracking on your total steps, distance, and calories you've burned. And I love that you can see your daily active time, your sleep quality and length, and even the percentage of goals met. You can also set natural awake alarms and activity reminders. And then to stay motivated, you can build social teams and set coaching notifications and personalized goals. Also, we know staying hydrated is so important this time of year. So the Pivotal Living app also tracks hydration via manual entry, and it has optional reminders to log your water intake throughout the day. So if you want to learn more, you can head to pivotalliving.com.
Here's the thing about water.
Water doesn't care if you're young or old.
If you're rich or if you're poor.
Fat
or skinny.
If you have wrinkles.
If you win a Grammy. Water doesn't care if you're popular.
If you spill it.
Or how many Instagram followers you have.
Water doesn't care if you make your bed.
And those voices in your head that are always saying,
I'm too old.
I'm a loser.
I'm not good enough.
What am I doing? Water doesn't hear those voices.
and wouldn't care if it could.
To water, you are perfect.
Exactly the way you are.
You're actually made up of 70% water.
Whether you think yourself as worthy or not.
Water accepts you.
And so do we. And we're here to make your water a little more pure, with a more sustainable filter to sustain you, so you can continue on your journey of realizing you're perfect.
You're perfect.
You're perfect, just the way you are, dude.
Hey everyone, my name is Nico.
My name is Alejandro.
And we're the two co-founders of Back to the Roots. And we're super excited to share with you guys today our second product, the AquaFarm.
The AquaFarm is a self-cleaning fish tank that grows food.
So the fish feeds the plants, and the plants clean the water. It's a small, sustainable ecosystem right on your kitchen counter.
The fish, they poo and they pee, and all that waste, which normally just builds up in regular aquariums, actually gets pumped up to the grow bed and broken down by the plants into a perfect organic fertilizer.
The clean water then falls right back into the tank. And the best part about it is that all of this is happening without any soil or chemical fertilizers. The plants are growing just on rocks, and all the nutrients are coming from the fish.
So all you have to do is just feed Sammy.
We spent 6 months working with the top industrial designers and aquaponics experts to make the AquaFarm beautiful and incredibly simple to set up and maintain.
No green thumb or toolbox required, and it can fit in any kitchen or classroom across the country.
And something we're really proud about is how she found the perfect manufacturer right here in our backyard.
So every AquaFarm is made in California. The AquaFarm comes with everything you need to get set up. Organic seeds, fish food, a starter pump, and a coupon for your very own Sammy from Petco.
Just fill with water, add your fish, and plant seeds.
It's been so cool watching this community of aquafarmers develop and everyone just making this their own.
People are adding snails and shrimp and grow lights. It's been so fun to watch. So join the movement and get going with the AquaFarm.
Happy farming, everyone.